Hi guys. I am making a video today to explain to you what this assignment is. We're gonna do a couple of these between now and the end of the school year, and I'll try to make some videos with them. But I definitely want to explain it with this one. So you're gonna be assigned a Google slide. Okay, everybody's gonna get it. It's gonna look like this. Okay, I'm putting it all the directions on. I'm doing it this way because I want you to do this on Google Slides. Okay, I don't do this on another. Program like PowerPoint or whatever. Google Slides. If you're doing it on what I assigned you, I can see what you're doing as you're doing it. And it's you don't have to share it with me because it will automatically update in Google Classroom as you're working on it because it's through Google Drive. So like you wouldn't have to go when you're done and hit share. Okay, anyway, this is what it is. It actually comes from a paper that looks similar to this. I know that my picture is not great. Okay. The idea behind this is it's almost like a visual flashcard. Um, this right here, en mi refrigerador o en la mesa, is your title page. That is the only thing that's going to be on your title page. Okay. I have everything else on here just to make it simple. You can leave it there or you can delete it when you're finished. It's fine. So your title slide is going to have en mi refrigerador en la mesa, and you're going to leave it alone. If you want to put a picture of a refrigerator and a table on here, you can. You are not putting anything else. You are not putting any English anywhere. No English. Okay? Even your pictures, you are going to strongly avoid finding ones that have English in them. So your first slide after this, your actual slide, I have everything here numbered. 1, una bebida, 2, un postre, 3, una fruta, 4, una legumbre, so on and so forth. Each one of those is going to have its own slide. So my first phrase right here is una bebida. I am going to highlight, copy, and paste into a new slide. That is my title, una bebida. I can make it bigger. I can make it colorful. It's fine. But here is where you are not adding text. You need to insert, and you need to insert an image. And you can search the web for one. Now, if you don't know una bebida, which you should because it was one of your vocab words, it just means a beverage, okay? So I will tell you that it's a beverage because if I just search bebida, I might not get that. So I'm going to search beverage here. And look, I found drinks. I need something that's school appropriate, so we're not going to pick something that's alcoholic by any means. So we will pick this. This looks like fruit smoothies or something. And I'm just going to put that into there. I'm not sure why it doesn't go in. Nope, that's it now. I am not sure why I can't put that into my picture. Oh, nope. It says creating images. I'm sorry, guys. Bear with me. I'm not used to making videos for this. Here we go. So now I have my image. I can make my image smaller. You can delete this click to add text thing. It doesn't really matter. I'm not going to take points off this there. But ideally, this is what I'm going to see. I'm going to see my phrase, and I'm going to see a picture that represents that. I don't want to see any English. Okay? For some of them, it might be a little bit harder. It might be like a cartoon type image where it might have like the English word on it. It's okay, but if you could find one without it, it would be better. So every single one of these words on my first slide is going to have its own. You're going to end up with 21 total slides because you're going to have this one, and then each one of these is going to have one, and I have 20. Your next one says un postre. That's one of your vocab words. It means a dessert. Look up a dessert that you like and just put a picture of it. Okay? Some of these words you didn't have in your vocab yet, but they are good to know because they are restaurant-related words like a tenedor, a cuchillo, a cuchara, a servilleta. I didn't give you sal y la pimienta, but you can find pictures of those, I assure you. You can use Google Translate to find out what your word means. A lot of them are on your Quizlet. So that you can correctly search up the image. Like if I search here, and I just search this one. I'm not positive if Google is going to come up with the right images, although this one it did. But just so you know, un pescado, it means fish, and pescado is the word for fish as in like on your plate, like you're going to eat it. It is not the word for fish swimming around in your aquarium. That's a different word. Okay. So this is going to be a quiz grade. You have all week to do this. Okay. If I have you on an A day, I'm giving this assignment to you on Monday. It is due the following Monday. If I have you on a B day, which is Tuesday, I will assign it to you on Tuesday, and you have until the following Tuesday to do this. If you want to do like 3 words a day so that you spread it out over 7 days, that's fine. If you want to do 5 words on Monday, 5 words on Tuesday, 5 words on Wednesday, 5 words on Thursday, and be done by Friday, that's fine too. If you want to do it all the first day you get it, that's fine. If you want to procrastinate and do it all Sunday night and send it in to me before, school Monday morning, that's fine too. Okay. I'm not taking off points if it's late. You're not getting extra credit if it's early. It's going to be a quiz grade. We are going to do a few of these. They're really good to learn some of these other words. I just noticed that I have this spelled wrong, so I'm just going to fix that right now. And you're going to do it that way. When you are finished, okay, this is important. When you are finished, do not hit share. Please do not hit share. I get an email from Google that you shared a file with me, and I have like 60 sixth graders. I don't want 60 emails. This is going to be assigned to you through Google Classroom. I will be able to see your work on Google Classroom. Okay, when you're done, if you go back to Google Classroom, when you're finished with the assignment, it will be there because you're working on it. You could just hit turn in. I'll still look at it regardless if it, whether you hit turn in or not. If I comment on there, turn it in because it's done. It's just because you didn't actually hit turn in, but I can still see the work. Do not hit share. Okay. If you have any questions, email me, or if you, would rather talk via the computer, like whatever, we can set up a Google Meet. Just let me know, write it on the stream. Hey, can we meet? And we'll figure out what time is good, and then we'll both go on, and I can explain it with you that way. That is not a problem. So this is what you're working on all next week. Okay? So have a great week, and if you have a question, please let me know.